doing? Welcome to another episode. In this particular video, I'm going to be going to a friend of mine's farm dam. I've been there before. I think I've made 2 videos there. The one was the Guggen baits, catching that Lego 1.3 at the dam, and a few 1 kilos. So go have a look at that. I'll put the link. It was a really cool video. Anyways, yeah, so I'm on my way there. I'm hoping to go catch a couple little farm dam hogs. It's like 30 minutes away from me, so hopefully it's producing well. I know my buddy Johan was there yesterday and he caught some fish with his family, so they're nice fish, so I'm sure I'll catch a couple of fishies for you guys. Definitely will throw around my Itties junior frog. That thing usually is fun, and I think I might get a couple of blow-ups. So yeah, let's see you guys on the water. See you in a bit, like very soon. Okay, right. So I'm on the water, kick boat set up, and water's looking a bit murky today, but lately that's what I've been fishing in. There's a bit of wind coming through here, so I don't think it's going to be that easy kicking around here. I'm seeing a lot of barbel move around here so far, so if I don't catch a bass, I'm going to have to go after a barbel. But yeah, starting off with the ET Secret frog. Try to see if I can get any topwater action. And then I've got a Texas rig craw here that I'll probably throw around as well. Maybe a weightless fluke, we'll see. But let's get the frog action maybe going. Oh no! Yes! Oh yeah! Don't jump. Oh yeah. Yes please. Monster. Yeah. Look at that. That's what I came here for. Hey, on the ET Secret frogs. Huge. Love the top water take. As you guys know, follow me and watch me regularly, frog fishing is my favourite. There we go. the Itties secret. Camera. Smaller one, but still topwater type. Right at the boat. Right at the boat. That was vicious. That was insane. It was such a vicious taker. Another little fatty. Not very big, but nice little belly. Oh. Oh. Hola. Yeah. Yeah, so it's already 12 o'clock and quieted down a little bit. It's like every once in a while I get another little fish, but it's not as active as it was when I got here at like 8 or 8:30. But I have been catching constantly throughout the day, so that's not too bad. Yeah, I had a bit of a wind up with my braided frogging rod. Lost most of my braids, so like there's barely any line on there now. So top water's pretty much gone for, is not working. So I'm throwing a weightless fluke on my coffee grinder, and then I've got the Texas rig craw on the other rod, and I've been catching on the Texas rig craw, also just dropping it by the reeds and twitching. And so I thought me throw the weightless fluke around and see if I can pick up something with the weightless fluke. Felt bigger because of all that. once again on the Texas Zoom crawl. Not so big this time, but still fun to catch, guys. Lovely. Mwah. Not a smaller one, yeah? Well guys, hope you enjoyed that little outing. Yeah, it wasn't a very long day, but I caught a good couple of fish. It was a fun day for me. It's hot. The wind has calmed down a little bit now, but it's now 1 o'clock. And I'm gonna call it a day and go home and spend the rest of the day with the kids. Yeah, it was a fun day. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed that. Share if you have friends that are into fishing and they want to sort of get amped up and watch some fishing videos, and show them my channel. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video coming soon. Peace, tight lines, keep fishing. Cheers.